These are so pretty. T-minus 5 days until we leave for Catherine's graduation at the Air Force Academy, which means I have to have a little glow up. My toes look whack, my nails are outgrown, the brows need to be done, and yeah, it's gonna be a whole fiesta. Welcome back, my name's Caroline. If you're new here, you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. It's a good time over here. Because my car is in Idaho, I either use my mom's car or she just takes me places. She just got off of work and she's on her way to pick me up and we're gonna go get pedicures. I think I'm gonna wait for my nails though. I really liked this French tip and I kind of want to do it again. We'll see about it though. We're also gonna stop at a coffee shop because I am in desperate need of coffee right now. Crossing my fingers she lets us go to Summer Moon because that sounds really good. Hello. You ready?
I'm ready. Did you work out today?
I did. I went on a walk with Matcha and then I worked out.
In the house today?
He didn't.
I vlog.
We're getting pedicures right now, but first we're going to Summer Moon. We just got out of the Summer Moon line and I ordered an iced blue moon latte with oat milk. We're gonna try it. Hopefully today they made it well. Ready? That is so good. I love this one because there's lavender in it. So if you love summer and you also love like florally taste, this is your coffee go-to. I'm doing pedicure. What are you doing, Mom?
SNS.
I kind of want to do blue for Air Force. This is pretty. I've never done a blue like this. I kind of like this or that. Which one, Mom?
I look the same. They look the same.
No, they're different. JK, we're doing white. This will be next time. Ooh, this one's cute. This is like a stone gray. I've never seen this color. I like the darker one. This one's too light. You can't even see that. I think this will look good with your skin. This was like my go-to nail salon when I was in high school. Actually, middle school through high school. I miss it so much. It looks so good. POV. You bring tennis shoes to the nail salon because you're very slow. Ooh! So my mom told me that she was gonna cover this one.
You picked the most expensive one, of course.
It was called the First Lady Pedicure. There were 3 options and I did in fact choose the most expensive one. Just because I love the foot massage, that's the only reason why I do it. I just got to the nail salon. I'm gonna get my nails done today because these critters are very outgrown. But really quick before I go in, because I get really anxious and distracted, I'm gonna figure out from my Pinterest board which nails I want to do. So I have a bunch saved. I think because Catherine's Air Force commissioning is pretty official, I want to do either curly white nails or pinkish natural colors. I don't know if I want to do French again because I did do that the last 2 times, but I feel like you can never go wrong with French either. I'll put a picture on the screen of what I'm thinking of. Kind of like the Hailey Bieber glazed donut ones, but not pink. I'm so excited to see my girl Lily. I didn't get to see her yesterday because she was off working. Oh my gosh. Like this?
Yeah. That made together.
Okay.
Gel and SNS.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. These are so pretty. My girl Lily absolutely killed this set today, and so I'm just gonna walk y'all through what we did. Lily's drilling off my previous nail. I didn't have any tips on, so this was my natural nail. Then I just asked for a white SNS dip powder base, and this was a really good foundation for the chrome powder to eventually go on top. And then to end it, of course, cuticle oil. Good morning, everyone. T-minus 1 day until we leave for Catherine's graduation. I just smacked my camera on that. Also, I kind of adjusted some settings on my camera. I don't know if I like the way it's filming right now, but I did also just buy a new one because I won a $2,000 gift card in a raffle contest. So I used that money to invest in new equipment because, you know, I'm going to semester at sea and this camera is already broken. I think I've showed y'all before, but like, can you see this? There's literally tape, painter's tape on my camera. Okay, so this morning my mom and I are going to the optometrist because I need to be able to see whenever we go to graduation, and it's been like a fat minute since I've gotten my eyes checked. If we're gonna hear Joe Biden, I wanna see him clear as picture because I'm probably never gonna get to see a president talk ever again in my life. That's what we're doing. Later today, I have a hair appointment with Cristina, my girl. She and Lily, my nail tech, are the only people that I would recommend in the Austin area to do your nails and your hair. Like, I've gone to them since middle school. I do like face framing layers today.
I have face framing layers.
Nice.
The second take. Okay.
Okay, now it's rolling.
Hi vlog.
What's up?
What's up, app?
I just messed around with some new makeup products and I think I actually really like it. We're going to the hair salon right now. My dad is getting a haircut.
I am.
Just kidding, no. I'm getting my haircut. Maybe I should do it this length, like the length of my bangs. But I desperately need to get my hair cut because these ends, they're like so fried and dead right now. So I'll see you at the hair salon. Ciao. What do you think? Is it shorter?
Yeah, shorter. Looks very nice.
Did a little wave in it. Feel it.
Soft.
She told me that my hair has natural color in it.
She said that?
She was like, have you gotten highlights? And I was like, no. I just ate a tuna sandwich from Jersey Mike's. Live, laugh, love Jersey Mike's. And I realized, okay, we're literally leaving at 5 a.m. tomorrow for the road trip. And I haven't packed a single thing. And my room literally looks like this right now. So it's kind of like, look at that. That should be illegal. So we're gonna pack, and my mom said that I can only bring one suitcase. I have a problem with overpacking. I'm gonna take advantage of that one suitcase and bring the biggest one because I've got 3. One from Costco, one from Away, and then one from Amazon. Amazon just sent over the cutest pink little suitcase, but I'm gonna bring that to my beach trip when I go with my friends next week. And instead, not this literally, just hanging around. Hi. Oh, where did the other one go? That's gonna be a problem if I cannot find that. So I'm gonna bring this big one instead, because go big or go home. We're back in Texas. We left Idaho. Found the other one. I'm drinking my drip drop powder. It's like IV therapy in powder, and you just like mix it with water. You know how people go to places and like get an IV put in them, and there's fluids and electrolytes and all that stuff that goes into your arm? I'm drinking powder liquid IV. It is so good. I'm going to start figuring out what I want to pack. We're gonna do it together because part of this little glow up thing is we gotta pack and make sure that we look presentable for the Air Force Academy. Also, side note, I'm obsessed with my hair. I chopped off 2.5 inches and got face framing layers in the front starting at my chin, and then I also got some texturization in the back because my hair has always been just like in the back. Because I have so much hair, it always felt heavy and just like really thick, and so I really like this. One of the ceremonies, there's like 5 different events. When you're in the military, it's a whole process. So for one of them, I have to pin these boards on Catherine's shoulders, and so I'm gonna be wearing this really nice long jumpsuit, and this is from Windsor. I also bought a Skims dress because, yeah, it's about time that I finally got one. Bought this one in California. Y'all probably saw it in the San Francisco vlog. I had to get it hemmed, and so it finally just arrived here. I'm also going to be wearing this. I'm not sure what day or which occasion I'm going to wear it to, but that's definitely being brought. Another option I have, which I will be wearing, is this skirt. Probably will wear it with either like this tube top or this white tube top in particular. I think I'm gonna do that. Let me take that off the hanger. Next up, I definitely will be bringing my American Eagle cargo pants. These are my absolute favorite. In fact, I'm gonna bring the same outfit that I wore to Houston, which is this white Princess Polly top. For the actual graduation, it's gonna be really hot outside. I did a big splurge. I have a bunch of cute tops from American Eagle that I think I wanna wear. Like, I'm probably gonna bring this one that's like a white little crop top. I also got the same thing in black, so I might just bring both of those and then decide when I'm there. Probably end up wearing shorts. I have this skirt, like this leather skirt, but it literally, hold on. Wait, it doesn't smell like fish anymore. Okay, wait, I'm gonna bring this then. For a while, this skirt smelled like literal fish, and I was gonna, bleh. Okay, this is too chaotic. I'm just gonna show you guys once I finish packing.